A very good morning to everyone present here. After a walk that we had done for showing our solidarity for World Cancer Day, which is celebrated, actually was established on the 4th of February by UICC, which is the Union for International Cancer Control, which is an international body of the government, international government body, which actually focused on that particular day to show solidarity for treating and awareness of cancer all over the world, because cancer is a global health challenge, because challenge will always be taken as a challenge. So this particular UICC on that particular day had taken this as a challenge, and to make the people of the whole world conscious towards the detection of cancer and making awareness and creating different treatments available for the cancer patients all over the world. Now, the theme for the cancer for 2025 to 2027 has been focusing on United by Unique, which actually focuses on the personalized cancer treatment of the patients, because every patient is an individual. Every individual is unique by nature. So the individuality of the patient has to be taken into account when we think about the treatment of the cancer of that patient that the patient is suffering from. So when the patient comes to us, any patient or any person who comes to us for guiding them, they come to us with some complaints, and then we have to go through the complaints and make a diagnosis. And after the diagnosis is made, we have to think about the management of the patient's cancer. So the management of the patient's cancer will depend on so many factors, but we always have to keep in we have to think about what is the unique need of that patient, what is that patient mental status, the physical illness that the patient is suffering from, and the support system that the patient has. The financial, the logistics, everything needs to be taken into account, and we need to take a holistic approach in trying to make a personalized cancer treatment plan for that patient. So this particular theme of the World Cancer Day for 3 years has been focusing on this, so that this global challenge of treating cancer, and which is a real burden, has become a real burden in the society, needs to be taken care of, and every person feels that he or she is being taken care of in a very unique way. And this can be done and has been done by the people associated with the cancer awareness, and particularly we in Northeast Cancer Hospital and Research Institute has been in this challenge, trying to take care of these cancer patients for more than 18 years now. And we stand in solidarity with the people world over, so that we can also cater to the treatment of the patients, of the people of our own community in their illness that they are suffering from. So my call to the people, to our family in Necri, is that we need to take care of our patients. From the moment they enter the hospital, each one of us, we are liable to take care of them as our own family member. So that, because every time we see a patient, we need to think of them as our family member who has come to us in times of need, who needs our help. So at the very beginning, from the very first moment when they come, not only because they are already suffering from their physical problems, so they are also mentally very unstable, in the sense that they are very thinking of all the problems that their family is having. So we need to actually sit with them, counsel them, and then accordingly go through all the steps that are needed to be taken. I feel that we, as our hospital, is doing quite a good job, and even in the future, I will call upon all the people, all our community, my fellow colleagues, my fellow staff, everyone to stand together in the treatment of the people who are coming to us for treatment. Now, World Cancer Day is not just one particular day that we celebrate and we forget. It's not about just a celebration. It's about the coming together of all of us. For the people who come to us. So many people, each and every day, they come with different problems, with different cancers. Every cancer is different, and in fact, we have seen that there are so many people who come with different same cancer in the same site, same stage, but the outcome is somehow not the same for all the people. Why? Because everyone is different. So I feel that we need to give individual treatment to each and every patient who comes to us, so that they can go back to their house feeling that we have given them the support that they came to us for. And I want to thank every one of you, and we have already gone for a short rally, and we would like to, I hope we can continue like this till we can, till the patients come to us. And we also need to go out to the people's home. Actually, the World Cancer Day also emphasizes the importance of us going out and creating awareness, and not only creating awareness but educating the people regarding the different types of cancer that can happen, the different symptoms and signs that can happen, and they need to be aware of. And then not only to be aware of, but also to have some action, not only like to be aware, educate them, and plus do some action. And the action is what? But to go and get some help from the professionals. So I thank all of you, and I would like to request everyone to be together, help everyone, and we can actually achieve a lot. Even if we treat one patient who gets cured, we can feel the happiness not only for the patients in us, but also the people, the kind of gratitude that the people have in coming to get the help from our institute. So thank you everyone for being here. Thank